These are dry beans. Hey my beautiful people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. In case you're new here, my name is JBN. Kindly consider subscribing, share this video, like, leave a comment, and let me know what you think, guys. In today's vlog, I'll be cooking the most delicious, nutritious village food for my family. So keep watching so you can see how we do it here in my African village. Yeah. So I will start with making fire, and this is firewood in the kitchen, guys. This is a lady who cultivates for us here in the village. Her name is Charikunda, and she's telling me the other way you can make fire without a matchbox. That you get two stones and rub them together. The surface molecules gain a lot of heat due to friction between their surfaces, and thereby fire is produced. When you put your matchstick, it will definitely catch fire, and you make your fire without a matchbox, guys. So that's how she does it, and she's telling me to try it out the next time I make fire, guys. Yeah. Very well. That's what she's telling me, guys. So now she has called me out to show me where she's going to pass, going to the garden. We have gardens in the hill, guys, and a lot of them. So that's what she's going to cultivate today, and she's trying to direct me. Yeah. So guys, I'm pouring water in the pot to cook the beans first. Yeah, the water I'm going to use to prepare beans. So fire is ready. I'm gonna cook the beans. I already sorted them, so I'm going to just wash them and then put them on fire right away. Yeah. These are dry beans. Poets, we call them sefria in my language, which is a saucepan in English. Yeah, that's how we call them here in my village. So the dry beans are already sorted. I'm just going to wash them with the water and then put them in the pot that is on the fire. That is on fire, guys. Yeah, as you can see. Yes, I'm washing them now and I'm putting them in the pot. And the water is about to start boiling. As you can see, the fire is enough in the fireplace. I'm going to cover them with a tray and they'll get ready fast, very fast. After the cooking, you keep checking and making sure the fire is there and enough. I'm done putting beans on fire, and yeah, the remaining part is put in firewood so they can cook quickly. Yeah. Meanwhile, as the beans are boiling, I'm gonna start peeling green banana. This is how green bananas look like. Yeah. Do you have green bananas in your country? Drop a comment and let me know, guys. Yeah. So I'm now done with peeling the green bananas, and I'm gonna check if the beans are ready, and I start cooking the most delicious, nutritious village food for my family, guys. The beans are ready. I'm now trying to reduce on the beans so I can put in the bananas. Yeah, in the beans. As you can see, I'm washing the green bananas and putting them in the pot that is on fire, or the saucepan. Yeah. So guys, these are the greens I just got from the garden, and I'm gonna wash them and add them in the saucepan so they can cook together with the beans and the bananas in the same pot or saucepan. Okay, yeah. So now I'm cutting the onions, guys, and putting it in the food. Yeah. So I got to put in a little salt because grandma doesn't take much salt. She just needs a little bit. This is salt I'm gonna add in, but I got to put in a little because grandma doesn't take a lot of salt. Yeah. So now I'm going to add in tomatoes, guys, so it can mix with the food and the boil and get mixed together, guys, to make a very, very delicious meal. And then I cover our food so it can get ready quick, guys. Yeah, so this is how we do it here in my African village. Yes. So now I'm washing the plates that I'm going to serve the food from, so my family can enjoy lunch. Yeah. The most delicious, nutritious village food, guys. And guys, I did not put any oil in that food. We rarely fry food here in my village. People don't like fried food, they prefer boiled foods because boiled foods are healthy. As the food is cooking, I'm going to help grandma with what she's doing, guys. Do you know what they call this, guys? Do you have it in your country? Drop a comment and let me know. Here in my village, we call it entala. Yeah. So. trying to remove the stones and all the unwanted things from the beans, guys. I'm trying to sort them a little. Quickly, I'm going to check on the food so it doesn't get burnt, guys. Yeah. Very soon our food will be ready and I'm getting ready to start serving. So I'm now going to serve our most delicious, nutritious village food, guys. And it's gonna be super delicious and my family can't wait to eat this food, guys. Yeah, everybody's hungry and they're waiting. So this is the food. I got it from the fire already and I'm gonna start serving it. Yeah, so everybody can have their share. Yeah, it's lunchtime already and this is how we serve food here in my African village. Okay, so you just get a plate or plastic plate and use it to serve food in case you don't have a serving spoon. And now the kids are coming to pick their food one by one. Okay, as you can see. Put a little salt in the food for grandma, but you can always add in a little salt in your own plate when the food is ready. So everyone has their food now and we are ready to have our lunch. So this is how the food looks like. It looks yummy. Our most delicious, nutritious village lunch, guys. So these are bananas mixed with greens and beans, not fried. The most delicious, nutritious village food for lunch, guys, here in my village. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Kindly consider subscribing, share this video, like and leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Thank you so much. God bless you. Bye for now. Bye bye.